जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते, जय हे कर्नाटक माते, जय सुंदर नदी वनगल नाडे, जय हे रस ऋषिगल बिडे. ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಯ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಮಗಳಾದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತಾಯಿಗೆ, ಈ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ತಲೆಬಾಗಿಸಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. భరతమాత ముద్దులు కూతురు కర్ణాటక తల్లికి మరి ఈ నేలకి కర్ణాటక ప్రజలకి నేను శిరస్సు వంచి నమస్కరిస్తున్నాను. ನನ್ನ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುವ ಮೊದಲು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕುಪ್ಪಿಳ್ಳಿ ವೆಂಕಟ ಪುಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಕಾವ್ಯನಾಮ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರ ಅಮೃತವಾಣಿ ಕವನದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುವುದು ನನಗೆ ಅಪಾರ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನುಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. Before starting my message, I am pleased to start with the poem of Karnataka Rashtrakavi, Sri Kuppalli Venkata Puttappa, popularly known as pen name with Kuvempu. This is what I have recited when I did MOU before, when I came here in last year. This is what I started with. ಅರಣ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡುವ ಮುನ್ನ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅರಣ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡುವ ಮುನ್ನ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅರಣ್ಯದ ಅರಿಸಿನ ಅರುಳುಗಳಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ಅರಿವಿನ ಅರುಳುಗಳು ತೆರೆಯುತ್ತವೆ. Before singing a song for the forest, I stand before my own mind. The forest gentle breeze opens up the petals of my mind's awareness. This poem showcases Kuvempu's reverence for nature and his understanding of the forest as a source of spiritual growth and inspiration. And it was a great moment for me when I came here last year. On August 8th, 2024, at the historic Vidhan Saudha, a vision was born, a bold and a sincere resolve between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. When I came here, I sought the blessings of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Siddaramaiah ji. I went and met him with what purpose I came, and he guided us, and today, with his blessings and with his guidance, I am right in front of you today. So for such an honorable man, for such an honorable Chief Minister, Karnatakada ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಿ ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Only one thing I would like to, few lines I would like to say about Honorable Chief CM Sri Siddaramaiah ji, a leader whose vision harmonizes equity, ecology and development. When I met him, he is a man of few words, and he very passionately and very lovingly he invited me to his place. We had a very deep conversation. I came in front of him. I was a simple a newcomer in politics. I told him this is what I had done, and I said he really encouraged me. And thank you, Honorable CM Siddaramaiah ji, for making this happen. And along with him, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರಿಸರ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಸರ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಖಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. He is a true green champion of this era. As he rightly said, we come from two different political groups, on India Alliance and on NDA Alliance. We represent two different groups, but when it comes to the issues of people, we think like Indians. We don't think like which group we are. And thank you, Honorable Sri Ishwar Khandre ji, for reiterating that. At the same time, who are sharing stage today on Sri Manya Indana Sachivargalada Sri K.G. George avare, Manya Sarige Sachivargalada Sri Ramalinga Reddy avare, Manya Sivajinagara Sasakaru Sri Rijwan Ahmad Arshad avare, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ರಜನೀಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ಅಪರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಜುಮ್ ಪರ್ವೇಜ್ ಅವರೇ, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಶ್ರೀ PC Ray ಅವರೇ, my heartfelt namaskars to you all. ప్రత్యేక ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి పర్యావరణం అటవీ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం శ్రీ అనంతరామ్ గారికి, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ನೆಗೆ ಅವರೇ, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ವನ್ಯಜೀವಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಮಾಲ್ಕೆಡೆ IFS ಅವರೇ, అండ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రధాన ముఖ్య సంరక్షణాధికారి శ్రీ అజయ్ కుమార్ నాయక్ గారికి IFS గారికి, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು.